This or that. You decide. Now this one here, this was $80, no joke. That's because I guess it was this size. They got different size covers. 45 inches tall, 65 inches long, 25 inches wide. Width on the small side, long side 65, tall is 44 and a half. But the other thing that cracked me up, I mean, it's pretty heavy vinyl material or whatever it is, and it's only got a 3-year warranty. This stuff will last forever right here. This Tyvek, when I get done with that, when I undo it, I'm not going to throw it away at the end of the winter. I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it, flatten it out, and I'm going to roll it up or fold it up or something, save it until next year, put it on again. Boom. Yes, this will shed the water off, and also when it snows I can just brush it off. Like, even if I use a shovel, it's really not gonna, you know, I've got a flat plastic a heavy plastic shovel, no metal edges on it or anything. I could just take that and scrape it off. With this, I might ding this, I might rip it, or anything like that. So you know what? That was a good idea. If you didn't have a whole roll of this Tyvek, let's say, or if, you know, if you got other things you can use your Tyvek for, I'd say go down to the store and get some Tyvek. This was $80. You buy 2 of these covers, that's $160. You buy the whole roll of Tyvek paper for like $160. Okay? So I'm way ahead. I only used 8 feet. I only used 8 feet of the Tyvek. 150-foot roll. You know how many covers I could make with this? I'm sorry, Weber. You've struck out on this one. We're gonna let you go back to the store and say goodbye.